It's time for a little fun!
Twinkle, twinkle, little duck, Pip is cheering you for luck. Standing at the water's edge, wobbling on the grassy ledge. Twinkle, twinkle, little duck, Pip is cheering you for luck. Dip, dip, dipping one small toe, water cold but in you go. Pip calls out from where he stands, clapping both his fluffy hands. Dip, dip, dipping one small toe, Pip says, duckling, in you go. Splash, splash, splashing tiny wings, floating is the best of things. Pip the bunny jumps with joy, duckling is a swimming boy. Splash, splash, splashing tiny wings, swimming is the best of things. Paddle, paddle, tiny feet, moving through the water sweet. Pip runs up and down the bank, cheering till the duckling sank. Paddle, paddle, tiny feet, Pip says, up again, my sweet. Up, up, up the duckling rose, shaking water from his nose. Pip laughed till his tummy hurt, duckling not the least bit hurt. Up, up, up the duckling rose, water dripping from his nose. Round and round the little pond, duckling swimming calm and fond. Pip the bunny clapped his paws, proudest friend without a pause. Round and round the little pond, Pip and duckling growing fond. Twinkle, twinkle, little duck, you have had the best of luck. Now you swim so strong and free, best little swimmer Pip can see. Twinkle, twinkle, little duck, Pip loves you with all his luck.